Hello students, welcome to Ganesh Coaching and Commerce classes. As you know, due to coronavirus, lockdown is extended till 3rd May. But it is not sure that after 3rd May, lockdown will end up. It may be extended further. So that's why from today, we are starting online lectures. You have to take active participation in that. So come to topic. First, we are starting mathematics. We studied in 8th standard mathematics as a single subject, but in 9th standard mathematics is divided into two parts. First one is algebra and second one is geometry. Both are different from each other. First of all, we will start geometry. Firstly, before starting, we have to know what is meant by geometry. Geometry is made up of two Greek words. First one is geo and another one is metria. Geo means that earth and metria means that measuring. Uh, in geometry there are 9 chapters in which we will start with first chapter, that is basic concept in geometry. In first chapter basic concept in geometry there is first topic which is number line. Okay, so firstly we have to understand what is number line. The number line is a line which carries numbers at equal intervals. It is represented like that. It is a simply line in which in middle there is a 0. We start with 0. In the right side of 0 we put positive numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on infinity. In the left side of 0 there are negative numbers which start from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and goes on negative infinity. Okay, so first of all we are studying number line. Before that we have to know what is the use of number line. Simply number line is used for comparing two or more than two numbers. Now we are starting first practice set, that is 1.1, in which we have given a question: find the distance with the help of the number line given below, in which we have given a number line at which some numbers are given, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, and in middle there is 0, at which you are able to see that there are alphabets. These alphabets are used to indicate these numbers. For example, there is numbers like 1 is represented by A, 2 is represented by B, 4 is represented by D, minus 2 is represented by J, minus 4 is represented by P, like that way. Okay, then first question, there is written as DBE. How do we read it? It reads as distance of or B to E, distance of B to E, or distance from B to E. Okay, in the given there is no number we are seeing. we have given alphabets in the question, that is D, B, E. So there we use alphabets as a number. First of all, B is represented by for 2. So we will write here B indicates 2, and what indicates E here? E indicates 5. So we will write E indicates 5. Tell me which number is greater, 5 or 2? Okay, 5 is greater than 2. Oh, D, B, E is equal to 5 minus 2. Always we will subtract smaller number from bigger number. So we will get a positive number because distance is always positive. 5 minus 2 is 3. If we subtract 2 minus 5, it means that a bigger number is subtracted from smaller number, then we will get minus 3, and distance is not negative. Every distance is positive, so that's why we will subtract bigger number to the smaller number, we will get positive. Okay, then in final we will write D, B comma E, that is distance of B to E is equal to 3. In generally, if we want to check our answer, then we can trace on number line. Where is B? B is here and E is here. There are some numbers between these two numbers, that is C and D. We can easily trace what I have given distance of B comma E. So we will trace from B 1, 2, 3. That's why we can find out by these formulas, or we can trace it on number line. Like that way we have to solve all the questions. Okay, then we move on second question. What is there? D, J comma A. Here what is given? Distance of J to A we have to find out. Then first of all we will write coordinates of J and A. Coordinates of J is, we will go on number line. Where is J? Here. What is the coordinates of J? Coordinates of J is minus 2 and coordinates of A is 1. Okay, there are two numbers 1 and minus 2. We don't know who is bigger. Then always remember, positive number is bigger than negative. Each positive numbers is greater than negative numbers. So that's why when we anywhere you will find out two numbers, one is positive and one is negative, then you have to if you want to choose the bigger number, you have to choose always positive number. Okay, so here 1 and minus 2, if it was 2 then it was bigger, but here is given minus 2. That's why 1 is bigger than minus 2, because positive number is always greater than negative number. So 1 is greater than minus 2. We have to find out D, J comma A. So we will subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Bigger number is 1 and smaller number is minus 2. We have to subtract, that's why we will apply here minus sign. And we know that basic principle, minus minus plus, 1 plus 2, what is there? 3. If we have given we find out 3, but if you want to recheck, then go on number line. What is there? First one is J and second one is A. So I already taught you that for finding on number line distance between two number, we have to trace. Then trace it 1, 2, 3, that we have given in the answer by applying formula. In question number 1 there are 8 questions, total number of 8 questions. in which we have done two questions, and I am going to done another two questions, and remaining four you have to solve yourself. And if you have any difficulties, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, so move on. Third question. Third question. Now I am solving question number 5th. There is given DKO. First of all, we have to write coordinates of K and O. So K, where is K here. K coordinates of K is -3 and O is 0. So coordinates of K is -3 and coordinates of O is 0. I told you uh, which is greater, positive or negative, but here we got 0. We know about 0 that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So what we will conclude here, we have to conclude here that if there is two numbers, one is 0 and another is positive, for example 0 and 2, 3, 4, whatever, we have to consider only positive numbers, then all positive numbers are greater than 0. We have to remember it. And another things, 0 is greater than all the negative numbers, whether it would be -1, -2, -3, whatever. 0 is greater than all negative numbers and 0 is smaller than all positive numbers. That's why we keep 0 in the middle of the number line. Okay, so here what did we conclude? 0 is greater than -3. So we have to find out DKO, bigger minus smaller. 0 minus of -3, we know that minus minus plus, 0 plus 3, or what is 0 plus 3? 3. So by the way, we so like that we can find out the distance of any 2 points. So here we got 3, and we go on next one. Now we are solving question number 7. What is there? DP comma J. So first of all, we have to find out the coordinates of P and J. What is there? P coordinate of P is -4 and coordinate of J is -2. So we will write P indicates -4 and coordinate of J is -2. We know that if it was positive, 4 is greater than 2, but in negative our concept reverse, that -2 is greater than -4. Okay, understood? If it was positive, that is 2 and 4, then always bigger number is bigger, so that's why we will write it 4 is greater than 2. But in negative concept is reversed, that is smaller number is bigger, so that's why -2 is greater than -4. Okay, so we will write here -2 is greater than -4. D P comma J is equal to minus greater number minus of a smaller number. Then we know that minus minus plus, and we know that plus minus is minus. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2, but we have to apply sign, and we use sign of the bigger number here. Which is bigger number, 4 or -2? 4. What is the sign of the number? Plus. So we will write here plus. As we know, we do not mention plus sign, that's why we will write here only 2. Okay, so we will write final answer here, DP comma J is equal to 2. In the final, we have to write down the unit also. We have to mention in all question unit, because each distance consists of unit, whether it would be centimeter, meter, feet, but here it is not given. That's why we will write here only units. I have done 4 questions, and remaining 4 questions you have to do yourself. Okay, so you have to send these other than these 4 questions to me on WhatsApp. And if you have any difficulties or doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp and call me. Okay, So let's move on second question. Okay, what is there? Given that if the coordinate of A is x and B is y, here we have given coordinates of A and B in terms of x and y. We have given coordinates of A and B in terms of x and y, and we have to find out DAB. What does it mean? Recap again: distance of A to B, or distance of point A from B. Okay, so we start solving this as we done in previous question. What did we do? We subtract bigger number from the smaller number, then we got distance. In this question we have to do same thing. Okay, so what is given here? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Tell me which one is greater. 1 is greater than 7 or 7 is greater than 1? Yes, 7 is greater than 1. So we have to find out here D A comma B. Okay, so simply we will write bigger number minus smaller number. 7 minus 1, what is 6? Here you notice that we have not given any units, so we will write simply units. If we will given centimeter, meter, feet, then we will write it as 6 centimeters, 6 meters, 6 feet. But nothing is given to us, so that's why we will write here 6 units. Okay, I am doing next one. Now I am solving question number 2. What is given here? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. Tell me what we have to do. First of all, we will write as we will copy x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2. Tell me 6 is greater or minus 2 is greater? What? Yes, all positive numbers is greater than negative numbers, so that's why 6 is greater than minus 2. Okay, we have to find out D A comma B. So here bigger number minus smaller number 6, but here 2 contains already minus sign, so we will write in a bracket. Understood? Tell me what is minus minus? Yes, plus. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, what is 8? Yes, right. And in final, what will we write here? Yes, unit. Okay, we have done 2 questions. I am doing a third question as well, as that is question number 4. And this question number 2 contains 6 questions, in which I am doing 3 questions, and remaining 3 questions you have to do your own self. Okay, and as I told you that send me on WhatsApp, or you have any doubts, then you can say ask me on WhatsApp or call me. Okay, so let's do next one, which is question number 4. What is given here? X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. As we know, if it was in positive, then we can easily find out that 5 is greater than 4, but it is in negative, so we have to be careful. Okay, first of all we will write we will copy x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. Tell me 4 is greater than 5 or 5 is greater than 4? What? Yes, minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Yes, because in negative there our concept gets reversed. Okay, so D A comma B is equal to bigger number minus smaller number. Which is bigger? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus minus 5. We know that minus minus, yes, plus. So tell me 5 minus 4 plus 5. Firstly tell me minus plus, what is this? Yes, minus. Minus plus minus. We will perform operation as minus, but we have to be careful in taking sign. Okay, 5 minus 4, 1. But tell me which is bigger number, 5 or minus 4? What? Yes, 5. And what is the sign of 5? Plus. So that's why we will apply here plus sign in beside of 1. Okay, we know that we do not write plus sign because each number independently is positive. So that's why we will write is 1, and in final we will write is unit. Okay, I have done question number 1 and question number 2, but it is your duty to solve yourself by question number 1 and question number 2, all the questions. Okay, from question number 3 I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, then thank you. Take care.